Dear students, today we are going to discuss energy bands in solids. These energy bands not only help us in explaining the electrical conductivity of the solids, but they also help in classifying the solids as metals, insulators, and semiconductors. To explain the energy bands in solids, let us take an example of silicon 14, whose configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. It has 4 valence electrons, 2 valence electrons in 3s and 2 valence electrons in 3p. Now look at the figure. This figure shows the energy versus interatomic spacing R. Now if we take the example of a solid which has n atoms, it means these n atoms has 2n 3s2 electrons and 2n 3p electrons in the outermost shell. When the interatomic spacing is very large, means large than the actual interatomic spacing, as shown in the figure, we are talking about the interatomic distance d. At this distance d, the outermost levels 3s2 and 3p2 are distinct because atoms are so far apart as to influence the outermost electrons. Now, as the interatomic spacing decreases, say to the point C in the figure, at this interatomic spacing, the outermost electrons of the neighboring atoms influence each other, and hence the 2n 3s2 levels and 2n 3p2 levels start splitting in a very narrow energy range known as the energy bands. Now, if the interatomic spacing is further decreased, say to the point B, at this point 2n 3s2 levels and 2n 3p2 levels and the rest of the 4n levels, all the 8n levels merge with each other and they are completely distributed in a continuous manner. This continuous distribution of levels is known as the energy band. Thus, at this point B, we have total 8n energy levels, out of which 4n levels are filled and 4n levels are empty. 4n filled levels have the electrons 3s2 and 3p2. Now, if the interatomic spacing is further decreased to the point A, that is the actual interatomic spacing which exists in the crystal lattice. At this interatomic spacing A, the 8n energy levels splits into two bands, valence band and conduction band, with a gap in between them. Valence band has the valence electrons, that is 3s2 and 3p2. These 4 electrons lies in the valence band, and the conduction band is empty, which has 4n levels. Thus, due to the interaction of the outer atomic electrons, the distinct energy levels split into two bands, valence band and conduction band. The formation of these energy bands, that is valence band and conduction band, this is very important from our electronics point of view. In the next, we shall study the classification of solids, that is metals, insulators and semiconductor. on the basis of this energy bands. Thank you.